What up, YouTube? It's Southern Smoke Boss of the Gang. See, I got the glove on today. So, got some live lobster tails. I already got the water boiling, steam. I'm gonna put them over in there. I'm gonna steam it in the water for about 2.5, 5 minutes. And then I'm gonna cook it on the grill, cut it down in half, split it. Got my ice, got it cooled down. Let's go ahead and take the top off. I'm ready to go too. There's some fun, man.
The one on the bottom, the female.
Why she is good? We about to go ahead and put them in this water. Look at them looking at you. They looking at you. Go ahead and stick it down in there. See how that steam getting to her?
Let's say it.
What's sad, baby? This how you have to kill her?
Yeah.
You don't like how it tastes? Let's go ahead and put the top on there for a couple of minutes. So, tails about done. They still alive though, but they're turning red. He's slowly dying. Let's see. Is he still feisty? No, is he dead? Hard to tell, huh? Yeah. So when I put in this cold submerged water, I'm gonna get some cold water, cold ice water. Just so your meat cools down. So once I let them cool down, I'm gonna. She's still on the move. We're gonna stick them over in the ice. Hopefully he don't get out. I think he's completely dead, but she still has a little fight in her. She's still alive. I don't know how. And he's dead, and he's way bigger. So yeah, we're gonna submerge it in there, let it cool down. Then we're gonna come back and cut it and split it open. And we're gonna put them on the grill. We'll have us some nice lobster. Whole lobster, all right. Nice and heavy. So we got our lobster. We'll let it ice chill so we can go ahead and split them open. It's gonna take a lot of pressure, a lot of strength. Be very careful with your knife, but you want a very sharp knife. Split it all the way down the middle. I'm gonna have to invest in me a cutting board, you guys. It's best to get a wood one or a plastic. I think a plastic because you damage the wood. You know, you want the wood to really look nice for presentation and stuff. Then a plastic is easier, and I would think it wouldn't hold germs. Give me you guys a pen before I go out and get one. See that in there? Was that the brain? Okay. I never cut one before. I'll tell you one thing. It is hard. It is hard to cut. Trust me. I think if I had a cutting board though, it'd be a lot more easier. So there we go. Still making progress. Yeah, don't you guys laugh at me. I'm trying. Trying to get a missus a nice dinner instead of going out to eat all the time. Boy, you talking about this knife is sharp? This is the knife that I cut my hand with. Right here. I thought I took a chunk out my hand. It's so sharp. Okay, the head is the hard part.
Just chop it straight across there, you want to cook the head.
Yeah, I want to cook the head.
Oh, well, just leave it on there like that?
I want to split it all the way down though.
Oh.
There we go. Making nice progress.
You need to scrape that out.
Yeah, babe, we gotta wash that out. Yeah, because you see all that meat in the head, and then it's also meat in the claws. So we can go ahead and cut our tape off now.
I ain't know that.
Yeah. Well, these are not even.
So there's still teeth in there?
Yeah, you want to play with them? Stick your hand and see how they feel. Yeah, there's a lot of meat in the claws too. So, yeah, we go take this in. Oh, well. Man, is this the male or the female? Did you remember which one?
Female.
It's the female?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, that's the eggs right there, right? I believe, yeah, they say them are the eggs, the green stuff. Yeah, you want to try to scrape all of that out as much as you can. It's still gonna be good regardless. So yeah, let me take it and go wash it off. Grab this other one, big boy. Not sure if he dead or not though.
Yeah, he just got a lobster.
He's still alive though.
But what you scared for? His mouth taped up?
Don't mean
His
that.
claws? Whatever they want.
Gosh. This is a different experience. It's a good experience, but I probably never get live ones again. Just me. You know, I just wanted to always try it though. You family. You know, I do this for my YouTube family, so they can get great ideas. Give me feedback. Man, even with the sharpest knife in the world, I need one of them chef knives. There we go. We're making progress now. Like we may be missing a head. That's okay. We'll be still good to go. We got our lobster tails, rinsed them out. We'll go ahead and put them back downsided on the grill. Got a nice mesquite wood on here. Not gonna leave it downside too long. What takes the longest to get done is the claw. So we'll flip them upside down in a minute. I split them straight down the middle. Look at that. That's why you don't want to cook them all the way when you steam them, because you don't want your meat too rough. And then that mesquite wood is going to give it a nice flavor. Let's close it down for a second. So I got me some garlic and butter and Old Bay in there. Got me fresh squeezed lemons. Gonna go ahead and flip over these bad bowls.
Mom, back up. Back up. Back up.
I don't want to drag you, baby.
Back
Trust
up
me.
with the door at. Okay, go to one. Relay, and then put the, then go. Go, go, go. Go. Go, 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 go.
Look at that.
Go. Go. That's right. Turn left.
She looking good. It's smelling good already. What do you think, baby?
Go back to him.
Some books can be deceiving.
Yeah, they can, but usually anything I put my hand on, you know, they turn it to gold, right? You ain't figure that out yet?
The door at.
Just a little fire. It won't hurt you.
Back up in the back.
The claws take a little longer to get done.
Go right.
So that's why I'm
Then
gonna cook them.
turn left.
No, face down for us.
Where all these
Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on them.
balls at. And then back up. And then turn right.
Let's close it down so that fire can get down.
I'm going
Yes,
to
sir.
work.
We about to have some good eating tonight, baby.
I'm going to
Woo, she's nice and hot too.
I'm going to
Smoking.
work.
Mm.
Like this, if mine said you'll do something.
It's rolling tonight.
I'll touch it.
That. Go in and get me a nice piece hunk of this meat. Baby, that is good. Look at that go. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure, if you haven't subbed yet, go ahead and hit the sub button. Like, comment, let me know more videos you want to do. Hey, don't forget, once we hit that 1,000K of subs, we doing that giveaway still. Still trying to, hey, throw some ideas out there. Let me think what you think the giveaway should be. Hey, more videos coming soon daily. Peace out.